last previous concept we discussed what is the decoder, right? So decoder is nothing but it is a combinational circuit. Decoder is nothing but a combinational circuit. You have to pass n number of inputs. It will produce the 2 power n output lines. We have to pass n number of inputs and it will produce how many number of outputs? 2 power n. Suppose you have to pass the two inputs, that is, it will produce how many outputs? 2 power n. That is, 2 power 2 is nothing but 4 outputs it will produce. So that is the definition of a decoder. Decoder is nothing but it is a combinational circuit. So here in decoder you have to pass n inputs and it will finally produce the 2 power n output lines. Those output lines are unique one. Those output lines are unique one. That is the decoder definition. So here see, this is a 2 by 4 decoder. So here you have to pass two inputs and it will produce us the four outputs. We will name as D0, D1, D2 and D3. So draw the truth table for that. So take the inputs A and B and outputs are D0, D1, D2, D3. So two inputs. So we have to require how many combinations? 2 power 2, that is 4 combinations. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So outputs, we have to place at one position only, we have to place 1. Remaining positions all are 0. So how possible means, so this is the combination of 0. At 0, that is D not only we have to place 1, remaining all are zeros. 0, 1. So at D1 only we have to place 1, remaining D0, D2, D3 are make as 0. And 1, 0. 1, 0 is nothing but 2. We have to place D2 only 1, remaining D0, D1, D3 are 0. 1, 1. So at D3 we have to place 1, D0, D1, D2 are remaining or 0. This is the truth table for 2 to 4 line decoder. 2 to 4 line decoder. The next, from this truth table, we have to we will construct the K maps. So after K map construction, we will get the output. D0 is equal to A bar B bar, D1 is equal to A bar B, and D2 is equal to AB bar, and D3 is equal to AB. So from these Boolean expressions, we will construct the logic diagram for that 2 to 4 line decoder. So here we how many inputs? Two inputs. So A bar complemented, B bar complement. So B complement B bar, A complement A bar. So from these inputs, we will construct the logic diagram for 2 to 4 line decoder. So here all are mentioned as AND gates, that is D0, D2, D1, D3. So D0 means we will construct the A bar B bar, that is A bar B bar, and D1 is equal to A bar B, D2 is equal to A B bar, and D3 is equal to A B. This is the logic diagram for 2 to 4 line decoder. This line decoder. So in this 3 to 8 line decoder concept, how many inputs you will pass in this 3 to 8 line decoder? So we have to pass 3 inputs. It will get the how many outputs? 8 outputs. So in this way, we will construct the first same as 2 to 4 line decoder. By using 3 to 8 line decoder also, you have to write the logic circuit diagram. So first, before logic circuit diagram construction, first you have to draw the truth table for 3 to 8 line decoder. Then you have to get the Boolean expression from that truth table. Later only we will construct the logical diagram. So first see, Here we have to construct the two tables for this expression. So that is 3 to 8 line decoder. So how many inputs you have to pass? 3 inputs. How many inputs you will pass? 3 inputs. How many outputs it will produce? 8 outputs. That is nothing but the lines, the statement 3 to 8 decoder. You have to pass 3 number of inputs and it will produce the how many outputs? 8 number of outputs. That is from D0 to D7. D0 to D7. So these are the input combinations. So there are 3 inputs. How many combinations are there? 2 power 3, that is 8 combinations. That 8 combination values are, so we know that 0 to 7 values, that is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. These are the values inputs from 0 to 7. That is 3 inputs kabatti 2 power 3, that is 8 combinations. And how it will produce the output is nothing but, so this value indicates 0. That's why only you have to make it as 1 at D0. Only you have to make it as 1 at D0. Remaining all are zeros. Is equal to A0, sorry, D0 is equal to, what is that? 0, 0, 0. So A bar, B bar, C. D0 value, and we have to represent in terms of min terms, not max terms. We have to represent in the form of min terms. So here D0 value is nothing but 0, 0, 0. So only that one, only one kabatti A bar. Next D1. So at D1 only we have to place 1. Why? Because the value 001 is nothing but D1. So at D1 only we have to place 1, remaining all are zeros. So D1 is equal to, so A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. That value is nothing but D1. And next one is 2. So only 2 only we have to place 1, remaining all outputs are 0. Then we get the output expression D2 is equal to A bar B, C bar. And same as 0, 1, 1. So at D3 only we have to place 1, remaining all are zeros. So D3 is equal to A bar B, C. Why? Because this is a min term. So A bar B, C. 0 is indicated as A bar and 1, 1 is nothing but B, C. And 1, 0, 0. At D4 only we have to place 1, remaining all are zeros. So D4 is equal to A, B bar, C bar. And 1, 0, 1. So at D5 only we have to place 1, remaining all are zeros. That is D5 is equal to A, B bar, C. And 1, 1, 0. At D6 only we have to place 1, remaining all are zeros. So D6 is equal to A, B, C bar. And 1, 1, 1. So at D7 only we have to place, remaining all are placed as zeros. So D7 is equal to A, B, C. So from getting these outputs, based on these outputs, we will construct the logic circuit diagram. That is A bar, B, B bar, and C, C bar. అంటే ఎందుకు మనం కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ కూడా ఇస్తున్నాం ఆ ఇన్పుట్ కి అంటే, so at D0 cos D1, D2, D3, so there is a complemented inputs. So that's why we will connect each and every input. We have to connect the complemented that input. So A bar, B, B bar, C, C bar. And D0 value is nothing but A bar, B bar, C bar. So we have to take the connections from A bar and B bar and C bar. So A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but one AND gate representation. These inputs are connected to one AND gate and make that output as D0. And same as D1 is nothing but A bar, B bar, C. And we take the connections from A bar, B bar, and C. So it will be one AND gate. So like this, we will construct the 3 to 8 decoder. Is there any difficulty 3 to 8 decoder?
No, madam.
So 3 to 8 decoder means we have to pass 3 number of inputs and it will produces the 8 number of outputs. So from this we have to take that statement, we will construct the truth table for this. So each output is one for only specific combination of inputs only. That is, this is the truth table. So next, by using this truth table, we got the some output values, that is D0 to D7. Based on these outputs, we will construct the logic circuit diagram, that is 3 to 8 decoder. So see this. So here 3 to 8 decoder from 2 by 4 decoder. So very important this concept. 3 to 8 decoder you will construct by using two by 4 decoders. ఎందుకు we will use 2 by 4 decoders means that is the how to construct. అలాగే one more example. You will construct 4 by 16 decoder using 3 by 8 decoders. 4 by 16 decoder constructed with 2 3 by 8 decoders. How it is possible means yes, it is possible. So 3 by 8 decoder you have to construct by using two by 4 decoders. So here we have to construct 3 by 8 decoder ni construct cheyali by using two by 4 decoders. దీన్ని not into అని చదవకూడదండి. By 3 by 8 decoder using 2 by 4 decoders. అంటే 2 by 4 decoders ఎన్ని యూజ్ చేయాలి? 2 యూజ్ చేయాలి. So see this 2 by 4 decoder. So first 2 by 4 decoder means how many inputs? 2 inputs. And how many outputs? 4 outputs. So these inputs are X and Y. First you have to write, మీకు ఈజీగా ఉండాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇది డ్రా చేయండి. 2 by 4 decoders 2 ఉండాలి. And 2 inputs కాబట్టి X and Y inputs. And how many outputs you will get means 4 outputs. That is D0, D1, D2, D3. And here also you will give 2 inputs, that is X, another one is Y. Here also 2 by 4 decoders are 2. Okay, so these are the 2 by 2 decoders. Here 4 outputs we will name as D4, D5, D6, D7. So here E అని ఉందండి. What is that? E means enable input. So by using this enable input, you will activate either high, this is the topmost decoder, it is the bottommost decoder. Top decoder and bottom decoder. At a time, and don't use 2 decoders. Either one decoder we will use, that is ENF. So here we will pass the value. Additional ga idi pass చేస్తున్నామండి. So you have to make it as E is equal to 1. So E is equal to 1. So E is equal to 1 means, so what is that value here? 0. So E is equal to 1 means what is that value here? Complemented value 0. So which decoder is enabled? When E is equal to 0, when E is equal to 0, which decoder is enabled? Either top one or bottom one?
Top one.
Top one. So if when E is equal to 0, ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది 1. సో 1 కాబట్టి ఇట్ విల్ బి యాక్టివేటెడ్. సో అంటే ఇక్కడ కాంబినేషన్స్ కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు ఈని నేను 0గా 1ని పాస్ చేస్తే, సారీ 0 పాస్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ఇట్ విల్ బి 1. దట్ ఈస్ ఏది యాక్టివేట్ అవుతుందంటే టాప్ మోస్ట్. అండ్ హియర్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ D0 to D3 will be executed. అంటే we have to give the inputs X, Y and E. So ఇక్కడ combinations 000, 001, 010, 011. అండ్ ఇది మాత్రం ఏది యాక్టివేట్ అవుతుందంటే టాప్ డీకోడర్ యాక్టివేట్ అవుతుంది. when you have to pass e is equal to 1, which one will be activated? E is equal to 1, so that is nothing but bottom will be
Lower one.
a lower one. So this is nothing but here the values. So here are two combinations, that is nothing but 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. దానికి ఇంకొక ఇన్పుట్ ఏది యాడ్ చేస్తున్నారండి? 1 యాడ్ చేస్తున్నారు. అంటే దాని మీనింగ్ ఏం? 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. So ilaga it will be activated either topmost decoder or bottommost decoder. So here we have to pass only 2 inputs and it will produce the 4. So ikkada 2/4 decoders use chestunam. We will construct the 3/8 decoder using 2/4 decoders. So here 2/4 decoders one additional ga మీరు ఒకటి ఏం పాస్ చేస్తున్నారు? ఎనేబుల్ ఇన్పుట్ అనేది పాస్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతాయి? టోటలీ 3 ఇన్పుట్స్. హౌ మెనీ అవుట్పుట్స్ ఇట్ విల్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ టోటలీ at D0 to D7. అంటే టోటలీ అవుట్పుట్స్ ఎన్ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంది? D0 to D7. Totally it will produce the 8 outputs.
8 outputs.
So that is the 3/8 decoder. Is it clear?
Yes, madam.
Is there is any doubts?
No, madam.
So next you will construct 4/8 decoders using 2 3/4 decoders. Sorry, 4/16 decoder. 4/16 decoder using 2 3/8 decoders. డ్రా చేస్తారండి? ప్రాబ్లం స్టేట్మెంట్ అర్థమైందా? 4/16 decoder కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలి by using 2 3/8 decoders. The problem statement is clear. To replace here, what is I said 4/16 decoder by using 2 3/8 decoders. That means here 3/8 decoder. Here also it will be 3/8 decoder.
3/8.
So here 3 inputs, that is X, Y, Z. Next ఇక్కడ enable input అనేది మళ్ళీ ఒకటి వస్తుంది. Here X, Y, Z inputs and ultimately later one enable input అనేది ఒకటి వస్తుంది. So same connections and here D0 to D7, here E8 to D15. These are the outputs. Okay, that's that way we will construct the 4/16 decoder using 3/8 decoder. Okay. Okay. See this. Implement the following. This is an example. ఇలా కూడా ఇయొచ్చు మీకు exam లో. So implement the following multiple output function using a suitable order. So F1 is equal to so F1 is equal to A, B, C. Summation of 0, 4, 7. Plus don't care conditions of 2, 3. And F2 function A, B, C is equal to summation of 1, 5, 6. And F3 is equal to A, B, C and summation is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6. So construct decoder. ఎవరమ్మా అక్కడ మ్యూట్ చేయండి, సౌండ్ వస్తుంది. So construct a decoder by using these statements. So F1 consists of don't care conditions. See here, how many, which decoder type it will require means 3 by 8 decoder. Why? Because here see how many inputs? 3 inputs. So it will require which type of decoder? 3 by 8 decoder. Why? Because decoder definition is you have to pass 3 inputs. That is, it will produce the 2 power n outputs. That is, n inputs pass the 2 power n outputs produces. So it will pass here 3 inputs. So it will get the how many outputs means 8 outputs. That is, here we are using which type of decoder? 3 by 8 decoder. So here don't care conditions accept then access చేసుకోవద్దు. So here f1 of a comma b comma c is equal to, that is f1 function is required 047. 047. So we have to give 0 and 4 and 7. f1 is equal to 047. And f2 is equal to 1576. So 1 inch ఒక input connection and 5 also and 6 also. And f3 is equal to f3 is equal to 0246. That is 0, next 2, next 4 and next 6. So this way we will construct the multiple output function using a suitable decoder. So
Madam,
yes,
F1 లో don't care conditions కూడా
F1
F1 లో don't care conditions కూడా include చేస్తారు కదా. చేయాలి.
sorry, we have to include don't care conditions also. Sorry, we have to include don't care condition also. That is nothing but 2 and 3. So we also include the don't care condition in that circuit also. Okay, this way we have to construct the decoder circuits. So in see a next example. See this. Implement the following Boolean function using suitable decoder. Here also you have to pass how many number of inputs? X, Y, Z. And how many outputs it will produce means 3 inputs means obviously 8 outputs. Which type of decoder you will use? 3 by 8 decoder. So 3 by 8 decoder. So E is nothing but enable input and adi meer ivvachu ivvakapochu, that is your wish. E is nothing but enable input, that is up to your wish whether you will give the enable input, otherwise no need. So here, so m of, that is sigma summation of 157, that is f1. So f1 means you have to connect the input value, that is nothing but outputs ఏవేవి కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి ఆ సర్క్యూట్ కి 3, that is 3, 5, 7. How many inputs here? 3, 5, 7. And next one f2 0, 3, that is 0 and 3. Next one f3 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. This way we have to construct the decoders. So decoders nila construct cheyalandi. So you will try one more example. Note that. Note. Construct the construct the following Boolean function using suitable decoder s of x comma y comma z is equal to s of x comma y comma z is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 7 summation of 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 7, and next function, that is c of x comma y comma z is equal to summation of 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. So which type of decoder it will require? Which type of decoder?
3 by 8.
3 by 8 decoder. So 3 by 8 decoder అక్కడ పెడతారు. So we have to pass the 3 inputs. సో SC ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ఇచ్చిందని ఆ వాల్యూస్ తీసుకొని వెళ్ళి ఒక ఆర్ గేట్ కి కనెక్ట్ చేస్తారు. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకేనా? ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ దీస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్? Hello? Any doubts? Regarding examples? Ma?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. ఇది మీకు అవసరం లేదు. So decoder concept is over.